lot of the suspension problems we were seeing were customers coming in with complaints of sagging rear suspension, air compressors running all the time, ride control issues, just problems that were only obtainable and fixed by OE fixed parts. Arnott suspension gets your vehicle level, riding solid, the way it should. I'm Alex DeFilippo, D-Boys Auto Repair, here in sunny Merritt Island, Florida. We strive to provide suspension repairs that hold up mile after mile. We have a very family-oriented business that strives in, dependability and customer happiness, and the promises made are promises kept, prices made are prices kept, and in this industry, that's everything today. We chose Arnott mainly because OE part pricing was through the roof, as well as competitors just seem to have issues. We seem to have comeback concerns, we seem to have ride control concerns, customers just weren't happy with the product. We put an Arnott product on, it fits, it works, it's OE quality. As an installer, one from a tech point of view as well as a business owner point of view, we want OE fitment, we want parts to go in once and be done, fixed, ride quality. We want customers happy when they leave our shop. Arnott really does revive the love of the drive. Customer satisfaction is the most proving point of that.